Justin is a programmer. At work, he spends most of his time typing, and when he gets home, he likes to cook himself a nice dinner. Sadly, his wrists have been hurting him so much that he can barely do his job, and he can't prepare dinner anymore because his wrists sting after a full day of typing. His doctor diagnosed carpal tunnel syndrome, so Justin bought an ergonomic keyboard and chair and lots of other expensive gadgets to help his posture. He also started taking frequent breaks to massage lotion into his wrists. But the pain continued. Justin was feeling miserable and desperate. He wondered why expensive equipment and frequent breaks were not curing his pain. And come to think of it, why didn't his coworkers have wrist pain given that they typed on computers all day too? The answer was surprising. It starts with the brain. It turns out that the brain controls most bodily functions without a person even being aware. For example, Justin's brain keeps his heart beating, his eyes blinking, and his lungs breathing, and he never even thinks about it. It's like his brain is on autopilot. Similarly, whenever Justin is the center of attention, his brain triggers butterflies in his stomach and sweat in his palms. Or if a girl says he's cute, Justin blushes. A lot of what brains do on autopilot is helpful. Justin doesn't want to think about keeping his heart beating, but some of those other bodily responses aren't helpful. Of course, everyone's brain is different, but why would Justin's trigger physical pain in his wrists? And what should he do? Well, researchers at the best universities have shown how patients can cure themselves just by changing their thought patterns. The Mind Over Pain online course is a step-by-step guide based on that research. It quickly taught Justin how to train his brain to keep his wrists feeling good. No exercises, no equipment, and no doctor visits. Now Justin can make a delicious dinner every night after a long day of typing and his wrists feel as good as ever. Mind Over Pain, a surprisingly easy way to have happy wrists. Want to learn more about how people cure their wrist pain by retraining their brains? Visit mindoverpain.org today.
Created using Powtoon.